Want to use helpful tools in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use utilities. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Now, scroll down and find Utilities. Here, you'll see a description of what it can do. Utilities allows you to open apps, take a selfie, set timers or alarms, read and reply to notifications, and control other daily settings on your device. You'll also see an example like set a 30-minute timer for the bread and a 1 hour for the roast. Unlike other apps, there is no switch to enable or disable. You can simply use these features directly through Gemini by typing or speaking commands. This makes everyday tasks faster and more convenient. And that's how to use utilities in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.